name is Shantanu Pandey. I am legal intern at Lexer and Company. Today I am going to talk about jurisdiction and territorial jurisdiction under the CPC. In my previous video, I gave an overview about the CPC, how the procedure and the jurisdiction has been decided. Let us start with the jurisdiction. Jurisdiction is a fundamental concept in a civil procedure that determines the authority of the court to hear and decide a particular cases. The Civil Procedure Code provides the guidelines for determining jurisdiction, including territorial jurisdiction, which is based on geographical location, which is the court authority, and where the explanation of jurisdiction of territorial jurisdiction. Jurisdiction refers to the power and authority of a court to hear and determine cases. It establishes the limit within which the court can exercise its judicial function. Jurisdiction can be classified into different types, including territorial jurisdiction, pecuniary jurisdiction, and territorial jurisdiction. Territorial jurisdiction refers to the authority of a court cover cases arising within a specific geographical area. Determine which court within the jurisdiction the power to hear a particular case based on the location where the case of the action aroused and where the defendant resides or carries out the business. It is important to note that the territorial jurisdiction under the CPC can be subjected to the exception, limitation, and a specific provision based on the specific law and regulation of each jurisdiction. It is essential to consult with the specific provision of CPC in the relevant jurisdiction to determine the precise rule and principle governing territorial jurisdiction in civil cases. Determining the proper jurisdiction and territorial jurisdiction under CPC is crucial as it is ensure that the court hearing that case has authority and competence to adjudicate the matter efficiently and render a binding decision. Thank you. For any doubt, let us know through comment.